Hi, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be making a when stop sign clicked, which is this button as you can see, and make yourself a variable, name it timer, name it timer, and click all sprites. So you should get this, okay? And go to sensing, click on the timer. As you can see, it's 43 seconds, and when you click it, it resets, okay? And as you can see, when we press the stop sign, it keeps on going. So yeah, and I am just going to show the timer as well. So yeah, I'm gonna set my timer to 0. Oh yeah, and we're gonna go to it now. We're gonna go into it. Well, yeah. Oh yeah, and anyways, I haven't been uploading for a couple of weeks now, so yeah. Let's get on with the video. So we're gonna go to events, grab a when flag is clicked, go to variables. We're gonna set the timer to 0.1. I recommend 0.1, but you can do 0.05 if you want. 0.1. And we're going to go to control, grab a forever loop, go to variables, set timer, go to sensing, grab the timer one. I'm not going to put it in there because we're going to go to operators, grab a plus sign, put the time in here, and we're going to plus 0. Actually not 0.1, 0.1. You could do 0.05, but I'm going to do 0.1. So yeah, so that, as you can see, this is the timer variable is replicating the real timer, but it's a little bit faster, 0.11 faster than the real timer. So yeah, and as you can see, when you click the stop sign, the variable stops but the timer doesn't. So yeah, so say for example, I'm just going to, on this cat sprite, I'm going to go to looks and grab a hide. So as you can see, it's hiding. So we're going to go to events and grab a when loudness is greater than 10, select click the timer. What this is going to be, and we're going to go to sensing and grab a timer, put it in there, and it's going to be when timer. Actually no, wait, no, don't put that. I mean variables. So basically, when we stop, the timer is going to overlap the time, the variable timer, because the timer variable is going to stop. So that's what this. So this means when the real timer is greater than the variable timer, it's going to do something. So I'm just going to say, go to looks, show. So when you click the flag, nothing there. When we click the stop sign, it appears. So yeah. And to make sure and to show you that it actually works, I'm going to just make a nice moving script. So yeah, I'm gonna make a nice moving script, a short one. And I'm gonna go to motion, change Y by 1, change Y by 0.5, duplicate this, grab a wait 1 second, put it 0.6, duplicate this and put it under, and put this under, and we're going to do this negative, so because it's going down. So now, as you can see, it's not moving, and I'll put a forever loop. As you can see, it's not moving, and when we click the stop sign, it's moving. So yeah, that's how you make a when stop sign is clicked. And actually very easy. It's only 2 scripts. One script is for the variable and the other script is for what it does when the stop signs click, basically. So yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next time, guys. Bye!